All, welcome to the tutorial on representation of minterms and maxterms. So how we represent any number whether it is in minterm format or maxterm format. So here in this case I have taken say of input of three cases where my inputs are, as you can see, A, B and C. A, B and C are my three inputs, that is three input bit. So if we know that A can have either two values 0 or 1, similarly B can have two values, that is 0 or 1, and C can have two values 0 and 1. So overall cases will be 2, 2, 2. So the total number of cases will be 8, that is 2 power 3. So I'll just write the cases, what are will be the cases. Say A, B, C all are zeros. This is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Basically I have represented decimal value from 0 to 7, representing it in binary format, that is 110 and 111. If you just see this value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in decimal. Now the question is how to represent it in terms of minterms and how to represent it in max. For minterms you need to have a note that A, and there are two values as I said, 0 and 1. If it is 0, it will be represented as A bar. If it is 1, it will be represented as A. That means if the number is considered to be 0, my value will be A bar. If the number is considered to be 1, then my value will be the number itself. And in min terms, the representative will be dot between them. For max term, the representation will be plus. Suppose what will the value then? Here it is A bar, B bar, C bar, because A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, and I need to use a dot operation in order to represent it in terms of min terms. Similarly, the value will be A bar, B bar, C. I need to represent with dot. A bar, B, C bar. Since B is 1, rest all are zeros. In this case, A bar, B, C. For this case, sorry, A, B bar, C bar. In this case, A, B bar, C. In this case, A, B, C bar. And in this case, A, C. So this is the way to represent it in form of min terms. Now what about max terms then? Max terms will be represented as just opposite to min terms, that is A and A bar. If it is 0, then it will be presented as A. If it is 1, then it will be presented as A bar. In order to convert min terms to max terms, you can also use just provide a whole complement of the result value and apply De Morgan's. Suppose if I say you A bar, B bar, C bar, if I apply a whole complement, then what will be the value? A plus B plus C ka bar, that is nothing but A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. One way is used to complement of the given value, and another way you can use it simply represent 0 as A and 1 as A bar. That is, in this case the value is 0, 0, 1. That means A is 0, B is 0, C is 1. So C bar. Here it will be A plus B bar plus C. Here it will be A plus B bar plus C bar. Here it will be A bar plus B plus C. Here it will be A bar plus B plus C bar. Here it will be A bar plus B bar plus C, and here it will be A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So this is the representation of min terms and max terms. Now the question arises, where will be actually using this min terms and max terms? So we will be using this min terms and max terms in order to generate SOP and POS. Min terms will be used to represent SOP and max terms will be represented into represent POS. POS implies product of sum, SOP implies sum of product, and as min terms will be of the form in sigma small m. That means this case plus this case plus this case. That will be the representation of min terms in order to generate SOP. But in POS, it will be presented as pi. Pi means multiplication, and it will be denoted by capital M. Min terms small m, max terms will be capital M, and the values will be stored. That will be discussing in our next lecture. Hope you understood the meaning of min terms and max terms. Thank you.